Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the Fortiva credit card. Now, I got a comment asking for me to do a review on this credit card. So I'm definitely here to do a review on this credit card. Now, I told you guys about this credit card before when I told you all someone I was helping, they were getting a lot of offers in the mail and they applied for this credit card without me even knowing that they applied for it. But later on, I found out more about this credit card. So I kind of want to share that with you. And then I also want to tell you about other credit cards I think you should try to see if you can pre-qualify for, because this one does a pre-qualification without a hard credit check, but it's others that you guys can pre-qualify for, and hopefully you guys can get approved for a credit card with them. Now, with the Fortiva, I'm not sure exactly which credit bureau they're going to pull from, but I do know that they can pre-qualify you. So if they can pre-qualify you, you guys can click right here. If they can pre-qualify you, then I'm pretty sure they did a soft pull to that credit report that they are going to pull. And if they can pre-qualify you, they can possibly give you that credit card. Now I see that people are getting $1,000 limits. Some people are getting $750 limits. So I don't know exactly how much you guys can possibly get approved for, but remember, everybody is different. You guys have to click right here to see if you can actually qualify for this card. Now, it's kind of strange that they have the cashback rewards for this credit card. I wouldn't have thought that they would have had any offers for cashback, but they really do have those cashback rewards. So you guys can definitely look into that. You guys will get a copy of your free credit score. So when you guys have your account, you can log onto your account, look at your credit score. There, they'll have it for you. And this credit card is going to be unsecured. It's not going to be a secure credit card, which is really good. So you don't have to worry about putting money down on it. And when they give you that pre-qualification, they qualify you for something. You can apply right away for the credit card or accept it, and you guys are going to get that instant decision on what's going on, if they're going to approve you or not, and for how much too. Now, like I said, go ahead and click right here to see if you all can pre-qualify for this credit card. You guys are going to have to enter your first and last name, your social security number, your date of birth. Go ahead and put in a home phone number if you have one, and your mobile number, your email address, and then confirm your email address. You want to go ahead and put your address in this section right here. And then they're asking your status. Are you renting right now? Do you own your house? Is it something totally different? Like, what's going on? And then also, what's your monthly payment? So put whatever you're paying monthly for whatever situation that you are in. You can also put your employee information here, put their phone number, and then also your gross income. So whatever your annual gross income is, you want to go ahead and put that information here. Now read the disclosures. They have their disclosure. Go ahead and check this box and read it, and then click on see offer, and then you will see exactly what they can actually pre-qualify you for. Now, for people that want to get this credit card, you may already be receiving offers in the mail for this credit card. Or if you not, then let me show you how to get an offer in the mail for this credit card. A lot of people, you may see this in the mail, and if you want to get credit card offers in the mail, like this credit card, and then other credit cards, I just did the Discover, I did the Milestone. There's so many other credit cards you guys can apply for. You can get the offers right in the mail. Let me show you what you have to do. So I want you guys to go to a Factor Trust website, and you want to go ahead and opt in, and you want to put your information into this website, because this is a small credit bureau, and what they're going to do is they're going to send your information out to all the credit card companies that mail out offers, and they're going to see if they basically want to send it over there, and if they want to send you a credit card offer, they will send you that credit card offer. And you guys are going to see a lot of offers coming in the mail. Just make sure that you all, when you fill out this application, make sure you put information that's already on your Equifax credit report. So check, and if it's on your Equifax credit reports, like your addresses and your phone number for the next website I want to show you, make sure that's on your Equifax credit report. And if you have any fraud alerts on your credit reports, fraud alerts or freezes, then you are not going to be able to do you're not going to really be able to get these offers a lot of times. So you want to keep that in mind. Now, you want to fill out the information for this website, and then you also want to do the opt-out pre-screen. You want to go ahead and fill out this form also. So go ahead, go to the bottom, click here to opt in. We want to make sure we're opting in to get those offers in the mail. Now, they're going to be loans too. So you're going to get credit cards. You're going to get offers for loans. So, and sometimes you're going to get offers for you to get a car. So keep that in mind with the different type of offers. It's not just credit cards. You want to put that same information in. It's on your Equifax credit report. This one is actually asking for your phone number. Factor Trust did not ask for your phone number. Do that security code and click confirm. Now, after you do this, if you are looking to get the offers in the mail, I tell people to wait a month, see if you guys are getting offers. If not, then maybe you want to put your information back into the website, or you want to call them to see if they have your information. Is everything updated? I know for sure you can go ahead and call Factor Trust, and Factor Trust, their phone number is here just in case you all want to call. This is the phone number for Factor Trust. You can opt in right over the phone. Make sure that they have your correct address in the system, because I told you guys before, when I called Factor Trust, they had an address for me that was 6 years old. They didn't even have my current address, and I didn't have to opt in. I was already in their system. So definitely you guys go ahead and give them a call. Now, there's 2 other companies I think that you guys should try to see if you can get pre-approved for, because they're very easy companies that you guys can possibly get a credit card with. Now, the first company I want to talk to you guys about is Capital One. I cannot say this enough. If you guys are trying to get started credit cards, get you a Capital One credit card if you have not messed up with them yet. Messed up means that you took their money, you didn't pay them back, because if you don't pay them back, then they're not going to be willing to give you another credit card unless it's paid back. But if you have not messed up with them, you can definitely get a credit card with them. I had my first 2 credit cards with them. I had the Platinum and I had the Quicksilver Rewards. Now, the best thing about this is you guys can see if you can pre-qualify for a credit card. See if I'm pre-approved for a credit card. Capital One can send you offers in the mail, just like I showed you after Fortiva. You guys can get offers from Capital One also. So you may be able to opt in, and you can probably get that offer in the mail. Now, and that's basically them pre-approving you. But if you didn't get the offer in the mail, go ahead and put your first and last name in, and then go further, because they're going to ask some other information from you, and see if they can pre-approve you. Now, if they can pre-approve you, then I say jump on that credit card, even more than that Fortiva credit card, because the fees is very high with that credit card. They're very, very high. So if you guys can get the Capital One credit card, that would be a better bet. That'd be a better bet for you. Now, the next company I want to talk to you guys about is Discover. You guys can also see if you can pre-qualify for a Discover credit card. And they have so many different credit cards you all can choose from. Now, like the easiest ones to get is usually like the cashback card, the student cashback, and their secure card, and then their student Chrome credit card. So most of the credit cards are really easy, but just see what they can pre-qualify you for. I don't care how easy a credit card is, because we're talking about in general. I would rather find out if I can get pre-approved for that credit card. So go ahead and see if they can pre-approve you for this credit card, because if you can get this credit card, it's going to be so much less in fees than is Fortiva. Now, with the Fortiva, it's a lot of fees associated with them. Like they have a high annual fee, and I want to see if I can pull it up for you all, but I don't have it here. I'm not able to pull it up, but understand that you guys are going to have a high fee. Some people see like $110 that they're going to have to pay every year just to keep this credit card, and I don't believe in that. Some people, I think, was up to $175. I do not want you guys to get into credit cards that's high fees like that. But just in case, some people out there, they just need a credit card. They don't really care. They want to get that higher limit, then go ahead, go for it. But understand the price you are paying. Now, if you guys want me to do a review on a credit card for you, definitely let me know. I could do that review for you. And I'll see you guys. I'm going live tonight, every Friday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I go live. I couldn't go live last time because my little man wouldn't let me go live, but I'm definitely going live tonight. So hopefully you guys will check me out, and I'll see you all there. There's so many people out there with debt, so much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repair. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below, or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.